Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. Now for today's video, we're going to be providing an update on none other than Golden Grail Technology and their huge acquisition of Sway Energy that just came out in recent weeks. Now in addition to that, there's a number of other pieces of news that we're going to talk about in today's presentation, but before we do, please take a second, hit the like button you guys, it's a huge help to myself and the channel. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to do so, and let me know in the comment section below what you think about Golden Grail Technology, this recent acquisition, and if you're currently holding any shares. Now with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be providing an update on Golden Grail Technology Corp. This has become a staple on the channel, trades on the OTC in the United States under the ticker symbol GOGY. And as you can see here, this is as of close on Monday, December 19th. We've now crossed the 40 cent per share mark to close out at 41 cents US, despite a pullback just above 4% in today's trading session. So this is definitely one of the success stories on my channel as of late, you guys. Despite the macroeconomic headwinds we've seen, companies and stocks across the board have been having a ton of trouble in the last couple of quarters. Golden Grail Technology has found a way to succeed with a beautiful ascending chart really trending up since the end of August. So August 19th, we hit a low of about 14.5 cents. And since then, shares of Golden Grail Technology have been on an absolute tear, as you can see in the thumbnail. Now, despite this surge we've seen in share price over the last couple of months, Golden Grail is still a micro-cap company, and you're still able to get in at the ground floor on this emerging and high-growth beverage company based in the United States. Now, as I just mentioned, Golden Grail, or GOGY, has become a staple on the channel. I initially started covering this company about 9 months ago, you guys. I've put out a number of videos, and we've covered this stock all the way since the high teens. You can see here's a picture when it was trading just below 23 cents US, and this has been one we've been calling out really for a number of months now. Another one trading in the low 30s here because of all the various catalysts, the growth, and the acquisitions that this company has been making over the last couple of months. And in today's video, it's no exception. We're going to talk about one of these huge developments and acquisitions from the team at Golden Grail. Now, if we jump over to the corporate website, I'll leave a link in the video description below. I wanted to do a quick refresher in terms of what Golden Grail Technology is all about. For those of you who maybe missed our last videos, again, I would highly encourage you to go back and take a look because there's a lot of great content discussed in those previous updates. But in the About Us section, you can see Golden Grail has been actively acquiring brands within the emerging beverage category such as energy, flavored water, and sparkling flavored water. Their robust product offerings reach multiple demographics and lifestyle categories, creating a dynamic, comprehensive, and diverse beverage portfolio. So they actually go out and acquire existing beverage brands that are struggling and help these brands reach their full potential. Now they do this by utilizing a series of operational technologies to apply their business expertise, their financial techniques, various manufacturing process know-hows to improve the economics and performance of each one of these brands while advancing and propelling their marketing and distribution forward. And it's really this focus on fiscal management and the development of these various different beverage brands that has put together this impressive portfolio that we now see before us in terms of Golden Grail Technology. And speaking of management, they've made a big addition to the management team as well that we're going to talk about towards the end of the presentation. Now, if you continue to scroll down on this page, you can actually see a little bit of information about the brands that Golden Grail has recently acquired. So many manufacturers, including some of the market leaders, have taken a lateral growth approach by acquisitions of different consumption occasions. And that's really the essence of Golden Grail's portfolio. So one size fits all is no longer relevant in the beverage space. And companies like Golden Grail really want to appeal to various different demographics in various different drink categories. And if you've been watching my videos closely, you'll notice a big new addition to the lineup here in Sway Energy Drink that's really going to be the focal point of today's presentation. So Sway is the first ever drink in the market that combines the power of immunity, energy, and nootropic ingredients to optimize overall well-being for an enhanced mental and physical performance. So Sway contains the recommended 100% daily value of vitamin A, B6, B12, C, and D, and these are the vitamins that have been known to boost energy, improve memory, and improve the performance of the body's natural immune system. So this is a high-powered energy drink that contains a number of key vitamins to help the person, customer, or consumer actually live a better and healthier life. And that's really going to be where we kick off today's presentation. Now, Sway Energy Drink joins an already impressive lineup of the Tickle Water Sketch Can, Cause Water, which we're going to talk about some recent developments there as well, Cause Water in the traditional spelling, Tickle Water, Scorpion Hemp Energy, which we've talked about at lengths in previous videos, Trevi Essence Water, and their Spider Energy Drink lineup. So when I talk about a lot of catalysts and high M&A activity for this organization, this is exactly what I'm referring to. Now here's the announcement that came out December 1st, officially revealing this new acquisition of Sway Energy. So Golden Grail expands their portfolio with Sway Energy acquisition. And as they go on to say, the addition of this new energy drink opens national sales channels with their established distributor network. Now Sway is originally based in California. Most of Golden Grail's operations are on the East Coast, based out of Florida. So this definitely helps them diversify in terms of geography in the United States. It's made from a proprietary blend of all natural ingredients, which we just discussed, containing those vitamins and benefits that a lot of drink consumers are really looking for. They currently come in 6 flavors. They were founded back in 2020, so quite a bit of product development in the last couple of years. And the flavors include cherry, lemon, lime, mango, orange, passion fruit, and watermelon. So as Gary Herman, who's the CEO of Sway Energy, goes on to say, in just 2 years, we've carved out a unique niche and market share in a healthier alternative energy space. I'm proud of the work of our entire team and the partnerships we have established with the Sway brand. We look forward to Golden Grail further growing the brand, both domestically and globally, which again is a big catalyst and potential market opportunity for Golden Grail moving forward. Now we then see some comments from the COO of Golden Grail Technology, Lindsay Eshelman, who actually is the new addition that we're going to talk about in a couple of seconds here, at least in that role. Sway has a proven track record of revenue growth since its inception, which we're excited to build upon. In addition to a tremendous brand and loyal following, Sway boasts a deep, established national distribution network that will leverage to accelerate its growth along with the rest of our rapidly expanding portfolio. And these are some of the synergies that Golden Grail is now able to realize as they fold in additional brands to their portfolio. They're able to leverage the strengths and opportunities of each one of these brands to really complement the existing names in that portfolio. Now, if we jump over to the Sway Energy website, you can see the look and feel of this branding and packaging, the world's first vitamin-focused energy drink. Now, we've talked about how popular the energy drink category is overall on this channel previously. So this is really a sub-niche within that high-growth sector that a lot of companies are really competing over. And you can see, in addition to those daily vitamins that we just discussed, it's also organic energy without the crash, so you don't get that sugar high or caffeine high that some of the other energy drinks offer, and it's macro friendly with natural ingredients. So only 5 calories per can, 0 grams of sugar, and 1 gram of carb with no artificial colors or fruit flavoring. And there's a look at the 6 different flavors that are currently in market, which we just discussed on the previous slide. So this is really a tremendous addition to the Golden Grail portfolio. You can see highly regarded or rated among their existing customer base and a number of existing brand partnerships and marketing opportunities that are already in place. So a big congrats to the team at Golden Grail for this huge addition to their already strong existing brand portfolio. Now, continuing along the theme of expansion and growth, the next article actually came out towards the end of November, so the 22nd of November, talking about Golden Grail Technology growing their headquarter location to accommodate the growth of their team and their portfolio of brands. So very fitting or great segue from the last article. And again, we can see comments from the COO, Lindsay Eshelman, talking about building a strong team dedicated to growing their existing brands while continuing to expand their portfolio. Now, they then go on to talk about that new addition to their portfolio in early December, which we just saw, the addition of Sway Energy. And the final paragraph here, which is equally exciting, talks about observations of market trends they've seen and the expansion of their sustainable water brand Cause Water to include a new sparkling water-based SKU. So this SKU is set to launch in Q1 of 2023 and will be available through their direct-to-consumer, Amazon Prime, and select retail distribution channels. And that actually comes on the back of another article which came out November 1st, talking about Golden Grail Technology increasing their direct-to-consumer sales channels for Causewater itself. Now, on November 1st, they stated that sales of Causewater on the West Coast have increased by 75% between January 2022 and September of 2022 in conjunction with national growing demand. Causewater is now available through this direct-to-consumer purchase via Amazon Prime, and this comes only about 5 or 6 months after they acquired Causewater in June of 2022. So they were able to actually turn this around extremely quickly and build out some of these new direct-to-consumer sales channels within 2 quarters of actually purchasing this brand. So that really speaks to the ability and the skill set of the management team to fold in these existing brands to their overall portfolio and really leverage a lot of the strengths we talked about earlier in the presentation. So not only is Causewater expanding their portfolio in terms of brands and customer segments, they're expanding geographically as well with the addition of that Californian brand. And they've made mention of international sales opportunities in these recent press releases, which again is a huge catalyst on the horizon for the team at Golden Grail. And this is a quick look at the Causewater website as well. You can see packaged in traditional aluminum pop cans, which are better for the environment and really cut down on a lot of that plastic waste, which ends up in bodies of water and landfills around the world, really leading to a lot of unnecessary pollution, whereas aluminum has a much better track record in terms of being recycled. Now, the final article I wanted to leave you with is the appointment of Lindsay Eshelman as COO. Now, we've already seen a number of comments from Lindsay in these recent press releases. This came out November 3rd, and Lindsay has really hit the ground running here as a seasoned expert in the beverage leadership category and an existing consultant on the company's leadership team. So Lindsay is already familiar with the group and the industry, which give her the ability to hit the ground running and really make a major impact very quickly, as we've already seen. So Lindsay is a true innovator. She's demonstrated the ability to be a forward thinker and operator in beverage and manage sustainable development, foster talented teams, and integrate cost-effective production, all while consistently delivering strong results. And that's directly from the CEO, Stephen Hoffman. As COO, Lindsay will work closely on driving operational performance, accelerate the execution of our strategy, and help us gain efficiencies that lead to faster growth. So Lindsay's got a background in CPG or consumer packaged goods for over 12 years. She's led marketing and sales for Stoli Vodka and Grupo Campari, notably driving growth by commercializing sales and marketing efforts across innovation brands. So another big addition to the leadership team here, and really another catalyst for this organization moving forward. So with that being said, you guys, that's all for today's update. A number of key and huge developments from the team at Golden Grail, with the addition of a new beverage brand to their portfolio, the expansion of their headquarters, some exciting developments with Causewater, and a big addition to the senior leadership team. So again, this is definitely one you're going to want to keep an eye on. The share price has already started to move quite aggressively over the last couple of months, but this company is still not on the radar of major institutional investors, and I think there could be a ton of upside potential if the leadership team continues to execute. Now, I'd be super curious to hear your thoughts in the comment section below, if you're currently holding shares and what you thought about these recent developments. If you're still watching the video at this point, hopefully you found some value, so make sure you hit the like button. And if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, McNallie Money, feel free to do so. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.